So today I will be making some buttermilk fried chicken. Alright, so let me show you guys the ingredients. This is the buttermilk. Alright, the chicken. This is one whole chicken. I have some complete seasoning pepper flakes, some sugar, seasoning salt. I have garlic powder. I have cayenne pepper. I have some steakhouse seasoning and some cinnamon and some pepper sauce. Alright, my pepper sauce. So I'm gonna add some of the buttermilk into this first. Before I do put the buttermilk, I will season up the chicken. This is some seasoned salt, sugar. This is optional. Ooh. Complete seasoning, and all would be 1 tablespoon each. This is some garlic powder, cayenne pepper. Alright, I have some pepper flakes. I have some pepper flakes, as I mentioned before. Some steakhouse seasoning. Alright, I have some onion flakes. Alright, pepper sauce, and I'm going to use my fingers and get into it, get right into it, and then I'm going to soak this chicken with the buttermilk. So now I'm going to add the buttermilk and cover it. Press it. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to set this aside until the next day, and then I fry it. Stay tuned. So now I'm going to start frying this chicken. So I have into this bowl here is some self-rising flour. I have some garlic powder. I have some cayenne pepper, pepper flakes, and some sugar. And this is optional. I'm going to use my fingers and combine everything into this flour here. Alright. This is the chicken. So I'm going to start by frying this chicken. Alright. Put this into the flour. I'm not double dipping. Alright.
Don't go on it. You was up last night too, Nibby, so don't complain about it now.
That's why
You're
I just
old
asked
though.
her. That's why I just asked you if Maxie was on monkey, because I don't even know what monkey is.
I said turn off the TV, turn off the computer, and catch your bed now. The second set. So this is it. This is some waffles with some butter, milk, fried chicken, served with some salad. All right.